Hello everyone, how are you all doing? If you're new here, welcome to Sophie's Cooking Corner where love cooks. In today's video, I am going to be preparing salted fish stew peas. Guys, here are a display of all the ingredients that I'll be using. Stay tuned and I hope that you like this video. Remember to give me a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe if you haven't done so yet, and remember to hit that bell to turn the post notification on so that you can know whenever I post new videos. Anyways, let's get straight into this. So guys, before I start, I always go ahead and wash my peas. Here I have on the stove is water. I went ahead, I washed, the peas, I crushed the garlic, and here I have a half teaspoon of salt, and I'm just gonna put it in the water. And then I had the garlic and the peas to the water. And guys, I'm now gonna pressure the peas. While the peas is being pressured, I'm now getting, the saltfish. Some people say bacalao. So I'm just getting the saltfish washed, and then I'm just gonna put it on the fire and it boils. Okay, because we have to get rid of, the salt, in the saltfish. So you have to cook the saltfish first. And now I'm gonna put some flame under this to get it boiled. Hey guys, welcome back. So at this point I check on the peas, and the peas is cooked. So guys, as you can see, I crushed the peas and it shows that the peas is cooked. So at this point I'm just gonna transfer from the pressure cooker. So at this point guys, I'm now gonna start seasoning up. We call it seasoning up the peas. Okay, here in this bowl I have my green onions. I have a whole onion. I went ahead and I peeled some more garlic and a scotch bonnet pepper. It's one whole scotch bonnet pepper, and also thyme. So I'm now just gonna empty this in the peas like that. So guys, here I have is a can of coconut milk. I went ahead, I washed the can already, and I open it, and I'm gonna empty it as well. So guys, as well, I went ahead and I get my saltfish ready. I boil the saltfish, make sure the excess salt is boiled out, give it a nice little wash off, and I clean it as well and break the saltfish in small pieces. And at this point I'm gonna add the saltfish as well. Giving it a nice little stir guys. So now I'm gonna add some of the all-purpose seasoning as well. Guys, you want the stew peas to taste really delicious. Here I went ahead and I did the flour. So guys, I should have displayed this while I was displaying my other ingredients, but I forgot. So guys, I went off camera and I did the dough, and at this point I'm gonna make some spinners. We call it spinners guys. So I'm gonna make the spinners and put it in the stew peas. So what the spinner will do is gonna give a thicker consistency. I took off this small piece amount, and I'm just rolling it between my palms, so these are called spinners. Okay, these slender looking dumpling type. So I'm just gonna put it there in the pot. So it depends on how you want your spinners, how thin you want them. You can do them at this size if you choose to, at this size. Nothing is wrong with that. This is how Sophie do it, guys. You must be wondering why a big old onion is in the stew peas. I just want the flavor from the onion. Look how beautiful that is. Very beautiful. So guys, as the stew peas coming to its ending, I'm now gonna add you know, my carrots. You have to add the carrots, the last thing, because you don't want your carrots to be mashed out, right? So that's the last thing you add to your stewed peas. And I'm just gonna leave this here for 2 minutes more, and I will meet you all at the table, guys, to see how I'm gonna present this beauty. Okay, enjoy, guys. And remember, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead, subscribe, hit the post notification bell so that you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Meet me at the table.